Alright, let's see if I can film this. So, this is my brand new Nano VNA. And what I noticed immediately is I can actually touch the screen without using the stylus. So, maybe we click display, trace, and we'll turn off all these other ones. So, we get at that. Back. Okay. Now I know we need to calibrate this, but I think also we need to. I think we have to set the bandwidth first. Pull those caps off of here. Stimulus. Start. I don't want to do an antenna, so maybe we'll do something crazy like 2 megahertz, and then we'll go stop 30 megahertz. So start 2 megahertz is down here, stop 30 megahertz. And then should be able to go here and back, calibrate. Okay. Now I don't understand the point of this open one. Why you would even put it on there in the first place, because it's open. You don't need to put a cap on it. What's it going to do? Okay. Go to the short. And then this one has a resistor in it, so it's a load. And then I don't know what isolation and through are, but we will go ahead and remove that. Done. Save 0. And so now we can go in and find an antenna, and I'm gonna have to pause the video while I do that because I don't have my main antenna hooked up out here. Alright, so I have this really weird goofy antenna. I don't know what it's set for. I'm gonna put it here, and hopefully I have an adapter that'll fit this. So I think one of these bow fan cables would probably work. I also have the SDR play cable. So with the bow fan cable, should be able to just go like this. And everybody says, okay, when you do this, make sure you short your antenna out. That way there's no static. Makes sense to me. Except for this antenna's inside, so it probably doesn't have any static on it, but we're still going to go ahead and do that. I want to take this piece of metal, drill bit, short it out, and then now I have a feeling that this particular antenna might not be resonant anywhere I think it is. So I see a dip right here, and let's see if I can back. Let's see, we'll try to use marker. search maximum. So I'm having trouble here. I got number 1 right here. Okay. So this appears to be a CB antenna, the weirdest one I've ever seen. So 26.640, and it goes like 27.48. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is pretty interesting. So now I need to go in and figure out the SWR thing. So I think you hit display, and then yeah, something else. Stimulus, nope, it's not that. Marker, not that. Measured. LC match cable, crystal, no, it's not that. So there's this nifty chart that comes with this thing. It kind of gives you an idea. So we need to go into display, and then let's see, trace, and then go down to format, and then that will allow us the SWR and the Smith charts. So display, trace, I guess I have to select trace 0. Well, no. So this shows that when you get in the trace menu, there should be a deal that says format, but I'm not seeing it. Alright. Okay. You know, I don't know. Interesting. So, there's got to be some other way to do this, but anyway, you guys get the idea. It's a little complicated, and it's going to take a while to learn it. Let's see here. I'm wondering. Okay, so display, trace. Oh, okay, so the trace menu is already up, so we have to just click over to format. Okay, so the format, it allows us to do either a Smith chart or SWR. And I wonder if we could do SWR plus Smith. No. Okay. So, and then when you click that, it allows you to select more, which would be I don't know what that would be. So now that we've done that, we can see this very, very narrow peak. But when I move this thing around, you can also see, you know, it changes a lot. So, because those feed lines probably radiating. Let's just see if we can move this thing down here. It shows the frequency. Yeah, it's some weird antenna, 26.640. So, watch this, and holding on to it now, it changes. That's probably a really efficient CV antenna. Anyway, I'm going to spend some time messing with this thing, and thanks for watching, guys. Let me set this down here and not knock anything over. Yeah, that would be great, right?